In this video, you'll learn how to insert a GIF into a Gmail email so your messages feel more fun, expressive, and engaging. We'll go through the process from the moment you start a new email all the way to sending it with your GIF embedded correctly. By the end, you'll be comfortable adding GIFs without worrying that they'll show up as just a link or fail to play. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Compose button, usually found in the upper left corner of the screen. Click Compose to open a new message window. This is where you'll write your email and add the GIF. In the new message window, you can start by entering the recipient's email address, a subject line, and any text you want to include before or after the GIF. It often helps to write at least a short message first so you can see where the GIF will go and how it fits with your text. You can always adjust the position later. Now, to add the GIF, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. You should see an icon that looks like a small picture or a landscape. This is the Insert Photo option. Click on this icon to open the Image Insertion panel. This is where you can either upload a GIF file from your computer or insert one using a link. If you already have the GIF saved on your computer, choose the option to upload from your device. A file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to the folder where your GIF is stored. Select the GIF file and confirm. Gmail will upload the file and show you a preview. Make sure you see the animated image and that it looks correct before inserting it into your email. If your GIF is online, for example, from a GIF library or a website, you can use a link instead. First, copy the direct link to the GIF. Then, in the Insert Photo panel, choose the option that lets you paste a web address or URL. Paste the GIF link into the field provided. Gmail should fetch a preview of the GIF. Again, check that it's actually animated and not just a still image. If the preview looks good, you're ready to place it into your message. Once you've either uploaded the GIF or pasted the link, click the option to insert it into your email. The GIF will appear directly in the body of your message wherever your cursor was placed. You can click on it to select it, and depending on the options available, you might be able to resize it or move your cursor to add more text above or below it. Take a moment to make sure the layout looks clean and that the GIF supports what you're saying in the email. Before sending, it's a good idea to double check everything. Make sure the recipient's address is correct, your subject line makes sense, your text is clear, and the GIF is displaying properly. If your email looks the way you want it, you're ready for the final step. Click the Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Gmail will send your message with the GIF embedded, so when the recipient opens your email, they'll see the animation right inside the message, not as a separate attachment. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully inserted a GIF into a Gmail email.